Just a little bit of condensed glue gel, really thick density. I'm gonna film it right here because we're gonna add some more crystals. I am going to use just a little bit of condensed glue gels and no wet top coat, and I'm gonna place my centerpiece super adorable charms. And this is from, I got it from my metal charm centerpiece mix, like a 10 pieces. I don't know how many pieces I have left, but I got this one out ready for you. All right, and it stays nice and it flats right here on the nails. Okay, and flash gear. You should get the different one. This one is we have a different one. They have more there. This is the first one. This is so adorable. I love it. I love this beautiful butterflies. It's like 3-dimension, but it's not sharp at all. So you feel the texture, but it doesn't like really harm to you at all. So I am going to, after like a 10 to 30 second flash gear, I'm going to apply the condensed glue gels one more time. I'm gonna do it like completely on all the nails. This is pretty by itself already. Maybe we should do some bubbles crystal. Can I get my bubble crystal there? Right there in the station. Sorry, I moved it there. And before that, I'm gonna using my charm. I didn't put top coat yet. You know why? Because in that way it's gonna grab my charms better, and then I can put the top coat right before I'm placing the crystal. All right. My clipper. Just using the crystal clipper remover. Clip it and save this for the next times, whatever you want to do. I want this bubble. Where's another one? I took it. Oh. So can you get me I want the blue one and the yellow. You can add more if you want to. Thank you. All right. You know that how it used to be before, like we had to put condensed glue gels on and put gel polish on first and draw, like using a polka dot, drop the gel polish on and using condensed glue gels and make a sword to make it like a bubbles like crystal. You do not have to do that. It takes you probably 10 minutes to get that. Now you don't have to do that. We already have the bubbles crystal, so I'm gonna add the condensed glue gel first and then no wet top coat after. And then this time we are going to floating the no wet top coat on the top of unclear condensed glue gels. Also cover the chains, because you don't want, this is a great and it prevents the chains and all the charms from getting tarnished, because we're washing our hand a lot of hand sanitizing. So first, then now you place your crystal where I'm at. Can I get one more color?
Okay.
Maybe white, pink or white. Oops, sorry. Yeah, thank you. Pink is good. I will take pink. Okay, it's okay. I'm adding yellows and then like have a unicorn. I like that a lot. Wipe up on the edges. Tomorrow I'm gonna back to acrylics and also with the glow in the dark crystal kits. A lot of you were asking for it. Okay. I would like to get a big bead. So these beads come from the glow in the dark kits. Thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you ladies. I was like, didn't see any comments, but hey, I'm so happy and I'm so excited every single time we do the live stream. So I'm gonna flash keys really quick because I don't want the metals beads is running off for me. Okay, here for 60 seconds.